Hello, students. In continuation with what I've started, I'm going to solve this question under circles, and I need you to pay attention. Okay, so we should find the length of a tangent of a circle. 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 7x minus 6y minus 30 is equals to 12 from the point 6 minus 7. Now it's from an external point. So you see, I always advise students, if you are going to work this type of question, all you need to do is you have your sketch. Okay, having your sketch will help you to get this very well. So you have your sketch. Now let this place be the external point, which we say it is 6 comma minus 7. So we have it. And now if this is the center of the circle, then of course, if I draw a line here, this line is radius and it must be at 90 degrees. Okay, now I can decide to join this line. Good. So I have a right angle triangle. Okay, where this side is actually A comma B, which is the center. Now I have this. I don't have that part. Okay, but one good thing is that this place is the radius, right? And this is what we are to look for. Let me label it L. Okay, and probably I can label, let me just say this place is P. All right, so you could see that from Pythagoras theorem we can draw a conclusion that P squared is equals to L squared plus R squared. That is from Pythagoras theorem. Remember, our aim is to get L. So L squared is equals to P squared minus R squared. So you see, it is my responsibility to get the center and to get the radius. Getting the center and the radius will do us great good for us to find whatever we need to find. Now, we are going to use the equation to do that. Now, the equation is 3x squared plus 3y squared. So the equation is 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 7x minus 6x is equals to 12, which we can write as 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 7x minus 6x then minus 12 is equals to 0. Now, why I'm doing this, or I want to follow through using the general equation of a circle. And what is general equation of a circle? The general equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Now, why I'm doing this is because I want to get my center and radius. And how do I get my center and radius? I know that g is equals to minus a, which implies that actually a is equals to minus g. So I know that f is equals to minus b, which still means that b is equals to minus f. Okay, so if I can get my g and f, then I have my a and b. Then I know that c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared minus r squared. Now these things are formulas that we know about. Okay, or if you don't know about it, but I'm telling you now that this is what it is. We have proofs for it, but I'm not going towards that. Okay, so I need you to pay attention to see what I'm going to be doing now. Now, how do I get this g and f? Is to make sure that I represent the equation 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 7x minus 6x. Sorry, this is not x. I think I'm mixing it up. This is 6y. Okay. I like the fact that I've seen it now. Then, okay, I think I still make the same mistake. So I'm going to take this one off. So this is going to be y. So sorry for that mix up, okay? Now this is going to be minus 12, all right, is equals to 0. So what I'm going to do now is to divide it by 3 all through. Okay, why am I doing this? So that it will so much look like the equation or general equation of a circle. So this goes, so this 3, not 3 again. Here we have y squared, because this will go with this, minus 7 by 3x. Then this is going to be minus, I can just put 2y, then minus 4 is equals to 0. Now, by comparison, and the comparison there is x squared plus y squared minus or plus 2gx plus 2fy, then plus c is equals to 0. Now, from the look of things, you can see that 2g is equals to minus 7 over 3. What I did is to compare coefficients. So please, if you don't understand what I've done, this is what I've done. I pick this, I compared them. All right, I'm going to compare this now, and I will compare this. That is exactly what I'm doing. All right, so take note of that. So if you have this, you end up having g as equals to minus 7 over 3 times 1 by 2, which is going to be minus 7 over 6. So I'm done with that aspect. And because of this expression, then I can have my a to be equals to minus g, which is going to be minus into minus 7 by 6. So my a is 7 over 6. So I'm done with a. Then I will pick minus 2g, okay, sorry, minus 2f. All right, minus 2f is equals to, let me correct this. Okay, I'm saying something else and I'm writing something else. Minus 2f is equals to minus 2, so that f is going to be equals to 1. This is not minus, sorry for the mix-up. So f is going to be minus 1. So that means that my b is going to be minus f, which is going to be minus 1. So my b is going to be 1. Okay, good. Then c will now be equals to, okay, minus 4. So I'm good with that. Now the next thing I need to do is to find my radius. Let me find my radius now. So I know that c is equals to a squared plus b squared minus r squared. So my c will now be equals to, a is 7 over 6 all squared, then plus 1 all squared, then minus r squared. Okay, and c is 4. So I can take this and write minus 4 as c. Now when I put them side by side, I have my r squared is now going to be equals to 7 over 6 all squared plus 1 squared, then plus 4. This is what I am going to have. All right, so therefore my r squared is now going to be 49 by 36 plus 1, then plus 4. Now doing it well, we find our LCM to be 36, and I think combining everything, you're going to get 229 over 36. So my r is actually square root of 229 over 36, which we can have as root of 229 divided by 6. So this is what I have. So I have gotten my r and everything. Now, since I've gotten my r, I need to get my p so that I can work it well. Now, p is a straight line. All right, this is what represents our p, where here is a comma b, which will be the center, and the center will be 7 by 6 comma 1. All right, so this is 7 over 6 comma 1, because That was what we got as our A and B. Then the external point, let me see the external point, is 6 comma minus 7. So the external point is 6 comma minus 7. So we are going to use the knowledge of length of a line. So I have P will now be equals to square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared. Now having this means that we are going to have this. Let this be my x1 y1, then I have my x2 y2. Okay, so I can continue now. Now this is going to be 6 minus 7 by 6. All right, this is going to be all squared. Then I have plus minus 7 minus 1 all squared. P will now be equals to all root of I'm going to have 29 over 6 when we do that. Now this is going to be all squared, don't forget, then plus this minus 8 all squared. Now this will now be equals to I'm going to have 841 by 36, then plus 64. Okay, having this and being written well, this is going to be square root of 3145 divided by 36. And how did I get that? You see, you have to work this, okay, using simple knowledge of fraction addition, and you're going to get the answer as you have it there. Now remember, we said that L squared is equals to P squared minus we have R squared. Now we have everything now. So my L squared will now be, of course, if I want to talk about P squared in this case, so P squared is going to be just be 3145 over 36. So let's not forget. So I have 3145 over 36. Okay, that is P squared. So I have it that way. I don't have a problem with that. Then minus R, what did I get? Oh, good. So, but my R squared is this, which is 229 over 36. So it's going to be minus 229 over 36. Now having this, I know that my L squared now will be, the LCM of course is 36. So I'm going to have 3145 minus 229. Now having this, I'm going to have 2916 by 36. Okay, this is what I have. So therefore my L squared now will be, or L instead of L squared will now be square root of 2916 over 36, which we can find the square root of 2916 as 54. Then square root of okay, then square root of 36 is 6. All right, so I have 54 over 6. Now 54 over 6 is clearly going to be 9. So that is what is going to be the answer. So 9 units. Okay, that is the length of this chord from the external point. All right, I want to believe you enjoyed the video, so please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting solutions. Thank you.